I want to wear these, but the light, it looks crazy. Oh no. Hey guys, it's Mac and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a shopping haul. In the last week, I've accumulated a decent amount of stuff and I caught some great deals and some great finds. And I wanted to share them with you guys. There are deals out there, there are hidden gems, but only you can find them. A lot of these items that I have found, they weren't like stand out, walk in the store, grab it off the rack. Like, you have to look and take the time to find the good stuff. The items I'm going to be showing you today were purchased at Savers, Burlington Coat Factory, and Forever 21. I just want everybody to know that there's nothing wrong with balling on a budget. It's my lifestyle, and you know what? You need to hop on the wave and paying half the price. Alright, so the first item that I'm going to show you are these silver shoes. Now, these give me like 2000s Spice Girls vibes. I love them. They're like barely worn. The heels are not too dirty. I got these for I think like $11. I love them. The next item that I got were these boots. I thought they were so cute. I like the tassel and the chain. I don't really have any of these like style of boots with that heel. They weren't really like appealing to me, but I saw these and I thought these were really different and fun. And I love them. The next item, also purchased at Savers, is this cute little bag. It's leather, and you kind of just push that, and it's like a box. It looks like an old school like camera case or like binocular bag. I'm going to be using this as a little crossbody purse, and I thought it was just cute. The next thing is this belt. It's just a simple black leather belt with a gold buckle. I don't know. I thought it was cute. It's a little like dingy and like vintagey. It was a little big, so I was able to add these two ratchet looking holes, but it does the trick. It keeps the belt on my waist, and I don't know. I thought it was cute. So the next item that I thrifted was this big oversized corduroy jacket. Now, I have wanted a corduroy jacket for some time now, and I was going to invest in one. I saw one and I was praying that it wasn't going to be like a small or anything. I wanted it big. So I came across this and I can't wait to wear it. The next jacket, also thrifted, was this. Now, I don't know who makes it, Alfred Dunner. It doesn't even matter. I don't care who made it. I just think this jacket's really cool, really different. I love the shapes. And it has a triangle on the back. This jacket's really old school. There's shoulder pads in it. I'm probably going to take them out. I just like this jacket a lot. I thought it was cool. And it was like $5, so I would have been stupid to leave it in the store. The next item are just these black, they're corduroy high-waisted leggings. Just simple. It's wintertime, corduroys in, and it's cute. Next thing is this cute pink sweater. Growing up in dance, we used to wear these little sweaters. They were always baby pink, and I don't know, I like this a lot. I like the crisscross, so it's a little more like, you know, not sophisticated, because it's showing, you know, but I don't know, it's really girly, really cute. You could dress it up and down. Okay, so the next thing that I thrifted were these Adidas sweatpants. They're navy blue, and the bottoms are like flare. They're wide leg bottoms. I think I got these for like $4 or $5. I don't know. I love them. They're super comfortable. And the last thing from Savers was this olive green Nautica crew neck. It's just a simple crew neck. I just thought it was super cozy, and I don't know, I liked it. Okay, that wraps up the Savers finds. So now we're going to move on to Forever 21. So from Forever 21, I have bought 2 jackets. One of them is this red vinyl bubble coat. I loved this. I recently saw it online. I was gonna ask Santa for it for Christmas because it was like $60 online. And then I went in the store and I saw it. There was only one there. And I'm like, I have to get it. Like, well, I was like, I need this, but let me go see how much it is. Because coats were like 50% off. So I'm like, maybe it's going to be $30. I get up to the register. There was no tag on it. I get a manager. She does the SKU number, all that nonsense. I got this thing for $14. Yes, guys, $14. So it was mine. It was a steal. And God knew that I needed it. So he granted me with it. The next coat, it's a black vinyl with 3 buttons. And this one has a hood on it. You know, I don't know. It was really cute. This was 50% off, so I got this one for $22. And it's actually warm. I wore it out, and I was, like, sweating. So, these things were cheap, but I'm not gonna, well, I don't want to say that they're, like, cheaply made, because I don't know what goes on in the manufacturing process, but I got these for cheap, and I'm warm, so everybody wins. So, we're gonna end this haul with the stuff from Burlington Coat Factory because I'm really excited about these items. Okay, so the first thing I got from Burlington Coat Factory was this cute little corduroy biker style hat. These are really in right now. I've been wanting one for a while, but I didn't want like the leather one. I feel like I would look too like motorcycle chick. So I went with the corduroy and I really like it. I can't try it on right now because of this bun. The next thing I got is this Fila t-shirt. It's like a woman's fit with the original tags on it. Originally, this was a $30 shirt. I got this for $9, $9.99. The next thing I got, and I'm excited about this one, I got this velvet Fila hoodie. Originally marked for $90, and I got this for $19.99. I love it. It's oversized fitting. It's really cute. And I'm excited to wear it. Okay, and I have to save the best for last because that's just how things are done. This is the God moment. This is an oversized Fenty Puma crew neck dress that I have been praying about. I saw this sweatshirt around this time last year when she dropped a collection. I saw it and it was $170 for this sweatshirt. I wasn't paying $170 and I walked in and I came across this. I snatched it. I said, you know what? It was $170. It might even be like $50 today, but like if it's $50, you just have to buy it. Like it was meant to be. Guess how much I got this sweatshirt for? I'm gonna pause for a second. $20. $19.99 to be exact. I have been wanting this, and the fact that I got it for $20, like God knew that I needed it. He knew. Somebody knew. And I'm grateful for whoever knew because I can't wait to wear this thing as a big dress with some chunky sneakers or something. I just wanted to make this video just to let you guys know that you can be a bargain babe too, or a bargain bro. A lot of my clothes are really affordable. You just gotta go out and look and find the stuff. And hit me up if you find cool stuff. I hope I can help somebody, you know, find some stuff or come across some deals. I love a deal. I get really excited. It's probably a problem, but oh well. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the video. And I'll see you next time. Bye. I kind of look like number 5 from Kids Next Door. And yes, it's kind of smells like mothballs in there. Y'all need to